Are you frustrated with lagging indicators, missed entries, and confusing signals? Do you feel like your chart is more of a mess than a map? If so, it's time you discovered the raw power of price action trading, the method used by the most elite traders in the world. In this ultimate masterclass, we'll take you deep into the world of price action. You'll learn how to read the market without indicators, how to anticipate moves with clean logic, and how to build a winning strategy based on nothing but price. This isn't just theory. We'll show you real charts, real trades, and real psychology behind price action. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader tired of false signals, this is your new foundation. Let's clear your chart. Let's clean your mind. Let's build your edge from scratch. What is price action? Price action is the study of price movement on a chart without the use of indicators. It's about analyzing the raw price, the open, high, low, and close, and interpreting what buyers and sellers are doing. Every candlestick, every level, every swing, they all represent human behavior, fear, greed, manipulation, and opportunity. Unlike indicators, which are delayed and derivative, price action is real time. It tells you exactly what's happening now. And once you learn to read it, you gain the power to predict what may happen next. Price action allows you to identify high probability entry and exit points, spot trends and reversals early, understand market psychology, trade any market, Forex, crypto, stocks using the same principles. It's not a trick, it's not a system, it's a skill set. Why indicators often fail you? Before we move forward, let's be honest, most retail traders rely on indicators. RSI, MACD, moving averages, stochastic, and they wonder why they lose. It's not that indicators are evil. It's that they are delayed and dependent on previous price. RSI gives you overbought, oversold, but price can stay oversold for hours or days. MACD crossover comes long after the trend began. Moving averages show trend, but only after it's already formed. When you rely on lagging tools, you always react late. Price action flips the game, you become proactive. You read the chart like a story unfolding, and instead of chasing price, you understand it. The building blocks of price action mastery. There are 6 foundational pillars to true price action mastery. 1. Market structure, the backbone of price action. Understanding trends, ranges, and transitions is critical. Learn how price forms swing highs, swing lows, higher highs, and lower lows. 2. Support and resistance zones. These are zones where price historically reacts. You'll learn to draw accurate levels, identify liquidity areas, and spot hidden zones used by institutions. 3. Candlestick psychology. Each candle tells a story. A rejection wick means hesitation, a full-bodied candle shows momentum. You'll learn which patterns matter and when. For price patterns, flags, wedges, triangles, double tops, double bottoms, these structures can show you continuation or reversal signals long before indicators react. 5. Order blocks and smart money concepts. These are the footprints of big players. You'll learn how banks trap retail traders, where they enter, and how to follow them. 6. Liquidity and manipulation zones. Understand where stop losses are hunted. Learn to anticipate fake breakouts and use them to your advantage. Step-by-step price action strategy. Here is a simplified version of a clean price action strategy you can begin applying right away. Step 1. Identify the trend on higher time frame. Use H4 or daily chart. Mark market structure. A healthy trend has a clear structure. In an uptrend, price makes higher highs HH and higher lows HL. In a downtrend, price makes lower highs LH and lower lows lines. Step 2. Draw key levels, mark support, resistance, and major swing zones. Identify trend lines and previous highs, lows. Step 3. Wait for price to return to your zone. Don't chase trades. Wait for price to come to you. Step 4. Look for candlestick confirmation. At the zone, wait for reversal candle, bullish pin bar at support. Bearish engulfing at resistance, inside bar plus breakout. Step 5. Enter trade and place stop loss. Entry after confirmation candle close, SL, just below, above the wick. Step 6. Set target with risk reward, TP. Next support, resistance or 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. Step 7. Manage the trade. Use break-even when trade reaches 1 or profit. Partial TP and trailing stops if trend continues. Advanced concepts, institutional price action. Now we level up. 1. Order blocks last bullish, bearish candle before big move equals smart money entry zone. Wait for price to return and show rejection. 2. Break of structure and change of character when market breaks previous HH and LL. It signals shift in trend, combine with candle confirmation. 3. Liquidity sweeps price breaks above previous high just to grab sales, then reverses. This is often the real entry for smart money. 4. Fair value gaps FVG imbalance in price where candles move too fast, price often retraces to fill the gap. 5. Mitigation blocks when price returns to the origin of the last move to mitigate previous positions. Price action patterns to master. Don't memorize 100 patterns. Master 5 patterns in the right context. 1. Pin bar long wick rejection shows strong reversal intent. 2. Engulfing candle bullish or bearish dominance, good confirmation at SOR. 3. Inside bar breakout tight consolidation equals explosive breakout coming. 4. Doji reversal indecision at key level often signals shift. 5. 3 candle reversal morning, evening star strong reversal sequence with momentum candle at end. Always use them with structure and level confluence. Risk management, the price action survival kit. No matter how great your entry is, poor risk management kills traders. Never risk more than 1-2% per trade. Always use SL, no exceptions, calculate R before entering. Accept that losing trades will happen, protect capital. Use break-even and partial profits logically, not emotionally. Remember, your goal is not to win every trade, but to make more when you win and lose less when you're wrong. Psychology, winning the mind game, accept losses. Don't revenge trade. Stick to your plan. Don't change rules mid-trade. Stay detached. Price action is logic, not emotion. Journal everything, setups, mindset, mistakes, repetition plus review equals mastery. Your brain is your biggest edge, or your worst enemy. Backtesting and journaling for price action traders. Before risking money, master your edge in a safe environment. Use TradingView replay tool, go back in time. Apply strategy, log results in spreadsheet. Track, setup used, time frame, RSR. Outcome, mistakes, emotions. 100 backtests equals experience of months in a few days. Creating your own price action strategy, build it like a blueprint. Trend filter HTF trend only. entries own support, order block, etc. Entry trigger pin bar, engulfing, etc. SL and TP method structure, RSHAR. Trade management plan, psychology checkpoints, write it, print it, follow it, improve it. Why price action is the only strategy you'll ever need. No leg. Real-time logic, universal across markets. Pure psychology works in all time frames. Indicators come and go, news changes, but price behavior is timeless. If you master price action, you will never need another system. If this masterclass opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment. What's the #1 price action concept you'll start using right now? This is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deep into smart money concepts, trade breakdowns, and advanced execution tactics. Until then, remember, no indicators. No noise, just clean, intelligent trading. Trade well, stay disciplined, and trust the chart.